Hey guys, Aaron here. I'm back for another tool of the week. Today I want to show you one of the tools that I wish I had purchased a long time ago. It's one of those things that you don't have to have it, but once you do have it, you can't imagine going back to not having it. It makes all my jobs so much faster and easier. And it is the Milwaukee M12 Ratchet. They sell these in 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/4 inch. I went with the 3/8 inch right in the middle because I figured if I need a 1/2 inch or a 1/4 inch, I can just use an adapter. Some people buy one of each, and if you can do that, then hey, why not? I went ahead and got a second battery. I just figured I did not want to run out of a battery in the middle of the job and be able to put a new one in if necessary. Now, would I buy a second one again? Maybe not, because after a long day's work with this one, when you press this in just a little bit, it will tell you right here with the battery charge indicator that it is still halfway charged. So I have never needed the second battery, but hey, I got it. Another feature, when you give this thing a little squeeze, it has an LED light to light up what you're working on, which is very nice. Now, I went with the Milwaukee based on all of the reviews on Amazon, and I'm really glad I did because this thing has not let me down. It is a workhorse and has been fantastic. So this is actually the only Milwaukee tool I have now, but if I get more, then the M12 system will probably come in handy. It's got a little lock switch here, which will prevent this from pressing in. Honestly, never used that before, but could come in handy. And of course, it's reversible like any other ratchet right up here. When I bought mine, the cheapest way to buy it was just the bare tool and the batteries, and then the charger all separately, but I'll put links to all that in the description below. You guys can go check it out on Amazon and get one for yourself. Here's a quick video of this tool in use on my M4 as I was changing spark plugs. It came in so handy. I'm telling you, you guys will not regret purchasing this, so please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and check out the other Tool of the Week episodes.